Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create a logo from scratch only using Canva. So you can also make it. Let's start. Open Canva. In Create tab, select a custom page. And create 2000 by 2000 pixel artboard. I'm not using any templates, so just drag it down. This is the brand name, which logo I'm going to create, and I'm using this color palette. Step 1. Add text and type brand name. Then copy 4 times or more, if you want. Step 2. Choose font for your logo. Go to Font. Filter Free Font. Pro user can skip that part. Choose different font for each copied text. I end up choosing 6 font style. Just duplicate it for safety. Then I mark which font goes well with logo, and delete the rest. Step 3. Start design. I use first one. Copy it and paste it on new page. Just remove cafe, adjust the letter spacing, I separate brew and nest in different text box. Then overlapping them, and group it together. Place cafe in the bottom of the main word. I add line to balance the logo. You can also add coffee beans or somethings. Adding another line to make gap between brew and nest. Step 4. Add color. Always use color palette to color your logo. Well, our logo is done. Let's see how it look in real life.